Sure guys, asekhona kuma-auditions e-Alfred Nzo Community Radio Station. Basangena abantu basaphuma, and into esenginothise kunabantu abafika late, abanye abafika after 2, nabantu abasa-register. I think sizohamba late la because nami ngithi by 12 o'clock sobe siphumile nami because abekhona amanye amagiga ade khona, but I think i-content yakhona iwetithi sohlala sibone kwenzakalani, but bakhona abantu balo bayafika, and abantu abaningi i-turnout yakhona ayibanga ngaleyo ndlela engiyilindile because ngoJanuary akhona ama-auditions ke sawahamba besemthatha, so because umthatha uhlanganisa amatawuni amaningi bekunabantu abaningi, so I think abantu abade be-athende namhlanje bane-chance enkulu because i-competition as much as ikhona but abekho baningi abantu, so kuzoselekthwa abantu abawu-6 la, so I think abantu bane-chance, so sobona la kuleyo 6 ezophuma ukuthi kuzokhethwa ubanje. So abantu bakhona baningi sesiba-interviewile, and baningi abantu engibazi ukuthi no banethalente, and baningi abantu abane-experience babakhona eRadweni before, so I think azoba interesting ama-results, and I think this time ukhona umuntu esim-interview ozophuma kule top 6 because ayibaningi labantu esiba-interview, kube yibhadi ngempela, engabikho noma 2 or 3 because bakhona abantu abagudi ngale ndlela esengibazule nami namhlanje, but-ke amajaji ibona ababiziwe lana, ipanel ibona abazochuza, so thina so-speaker nawe nje just thatha lo maclip ama-highlights sibonise abantu bethu i-channel, but i-word I think isivumile because eMonfrey jole ukubanda nakhona namhlanje kuchiliwe nje kwabhaca ku-right, so nami I think experience yanamhlanje akabhaca kuphelele because ngiyaqala ukuba seMonfrey for ixesha elide ngasithi ngafika lapha Eastern Cape from 2021, so stay tuned ku-speaker now, maybe sozama ukuthi sifumane umuntu oyi-1 from i-management yakhona la ku-radio station because manje babhizi ba-pen down ababambeki, but silo sibazamile because bebe basibona safika ekuseni, so stay tuned to speaker now. Sure guys, seyona i-speaker now, yabona nje sichilele, and I think isiphethe 2K ke manje. I think wena umuntu oyange sengingambona namhlanje. Unjani sisoba igama?
I'm good. Ndingo-Enhle Nqabeni.
How old are you?
Ndiqhuba kuba na-20.
Uyabonakala, you are so young. I think balekha abantu abane-interest ye-radio kule age yakho. Wena yini ekubeka la because ama-2K anenye interest ngathi ngase-radweni awekho maningi. Wena yini ekubeka la kuma-audition ye-radio?
Nah, I've always been interested by TV presenter, but then loo nto since ndilapha kule ndawo endikuyo, like I'm not that exposed, but like it's not that easy to become one. Into ekude, so ngiqonda mandingenelele kufutshane.
Oh, so kulapha ku-TV lezinto zokupresenta maybe ufuna amashow lawa entertainment noma
entertainment obviously.
So nase-radweni mawuthi uyayithola, we are looking for that side in the entertainment. Okay, so iziningi zenzeka maybe current kuma-piano obani uvibe nabo as umuntu we-entertainment, ama-artist nje ama-piano, maybe usinike noma i-top 3 bengabaningi.
Oh, Kabza.
Okay,
Kabza again. Kabza again.
Yo, hayi bakaka wena ulethe imaka because baningi bakhona, and
ubani Kabza times 3.
Ubani ocabanga ukuthi maybe ku-production kuma-piano between Kabza and Kevin Momo because clears kune comparison. Ubani umuntu obona ngathi ugood production?
Kelvin, but I'll go with Kabza because Kabza is the man apha kum.
Okay, ngiyakubona energy yakho manje mongena lapha ngaphakathi uzofike upresente ngayiphi language wena?
NgesiXhosa ndithi le nto kaya isiXhosa le. So obviously kufanele ndithethe
isiXhosa, so ready uba ngiyakubona. Ngathi ne-English iyaphumela lapho uzokwazi uyenqanda lapho.
Hayi, uzohlala phansi.
Uzawuhlala phansi.
Uzawuthatha i-break.
So nje mhlawumbe i-question yokugcina sesikuvalelise, do you think la eMonfrey sayidinga i-community radio station?
Esayidinga, inintsi talente apha. Need one.
Angathi ngihamba kahle masu lapha ngaphakathi. Thanks for your time ukuthi uvele ku-speaker now nje sikhona lapha ku-YouTube. Mhlawumbe ungababuka lapho ukuthi abantu abasubscribe ku-speaker now ku-YouTube.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
No, akuyona yakho yethu. Wena nje buka nje lapho nje, hi, this is Enhle and you are watching Speaker Now.
Hi, this is Enhle and you are watching Speaker Now.
Thank
Oh, hi, Speaker Now. Okay, bethunana ke kuye ongeza sikwi-auditions eMonfrey yakhe kwabhaca bethunana kwindawo kuthiwa kusofaya auditions ze-radio, our friends of community radio silapha ke namhlanje bethunana akugcwele. I'm pretty nervous shema ndifuna uxoxa this time around, ndinoloyiko enalo, but ke kuba kumntu eyiqhelile le nto eqhela uyenza ndizixelela nto ndiphume endlini into yoba le nto ndiyiphathisiweyo mandizoyideliver apha ndiyishiye apha, then be up to judges into yoba bathini yinto beyikhange bangena, otherwise ndizabe ndibanike yonke into bethunana. So don't forget ke to join us on YouTube weSpeaker Nawe, ufike phaa like usubscribe.
Sure guys, we're still watching Speaker Now. We are coming live from Sophia Park. It's my audition radio. So Sisi, welcome to Speaker Now. Welcome.
Igama lami ndinguzandile Sitshongo ke silapha ke eMomfra apha sikhoyo.
Sikuma audition namhlanje abantu abaningi bathukile wena ithini feeling la kwena?
Ikhona laa nto wena bhuti imane isithi bha apha entliziyweni iyovalo oluthile wethu. Into nayo ke le nto le ngoba siyayifuna ngoba ke uye uzibone uba into uyiphiwe uqonda uba mandike ndiyosearch inoba ikhona nyhani nale nto ndiyiphiweyo.
Oh, so mawusaphuma labo endlini uza la kuma-audition ngine-show bekuna something we-preparing. After suzwa abantu wabona lana i-atmosphere awukashintshi usastika kwistori sakho ukuthi nozofika usho le nto eyi-one noma sufike wabona abantu wezwa abantu abayithethayo wayishintsha into yakho ade uzoyipresenta.
Hayi ndihleli mntazi,
Uhleli.
ndihleli mntazi.
So uyathemba?
Kakhulu ndiyathemba bhuti.
I know. So zaba ukuthi maybe sikucheck after suphuma khona ngoba ngiyabona ngathi manje usene-energy. Sinobona suphuma lapha emajajini.
Okay, akho
Okay,
ngxaki.
sharp.
Akho ngxaki guys.
Ukhona nomunye usisi ngapha I think uyasheka nje akangeni nokungena sisi bayigama
Ndinelisiwe Jana Piti.
Nelisiwe ama-audition eradio le yini ekuletha la ama-audition eradio?
Luthando nele radio futhi nokuzamela ukulandelela lento uyiphiwe yocinga bafana ba nawo ngaba good kuyo kuba.
Let's say bakunika ishow la yiphi ishow ongafika u-enjoy kakhulu la inside?
Wanzima umbuzo wakho but ke
Because maningi ama-shows akhona we-sports khona i-entertainment wena iliphi side
I
lakho lelo?
think i-entertainment engaba
Entertainment. So maybe ula naba abagosiphayo ufuna lokho osigosiphele eradio
ndingayibathana leyo.
ungaspect. Okay, I know sifisela inhlanhla ngathi ngihamba phakathi. Uma usufika lapha ngaphakathi uzama ukwehlisa uvalo ungathuki kakhulu.
Okay.
Amajaji awona abantu ababo. Okay, sharp.
Kakhulu.
Sure guys, sekuyona uSpeaker Nawe. Sikhuluma nabantu asebebuya phakathi ke sigamekweni. Sure mfethu, welcome to Speaker Nawe bayigama.
Igama lami Ndosanele Fana uGwebu.
Mfethu ngibona ngathi ubune energy la ngaphakathi. Into yakhe ihambe kahle wadu uyiprepareile masufika lapha.
Ngeke ngicinga ngayo bhuti wami noba ihambe ngakakuhle kodwa andiyazi kade lo ngaphakathi ngingafanda ndathi next. Ngoba noyiphopha enzaweni ngayati.
So makuthiwa impela le opportunity le uyayithola le yale search le yinto edifferent ozofika uyenza uma ufika lapha ne-radio.
Vele ngafenza into radio kokuqala nje ukutshintsha isiteshi. Kuze station indlela inqubo ezihamba ngayo yabona kunenqubo abayicekele phansi abantu abaninzi eradweni inqubo yokholo lakwantu kahle singabantu bakwantu so into yabelungu ifike emva isiza nezazinto ezanazo ba into zo DJs amapiano ne andithi ngumaskandi inkolo yakwantu nesingqi sakwantu ne sisiphethe umuntu unxiba kanjani umntana wentombazana ongumfana sisiphethe kanjani sibuyele embo maslime masithini yonke lanto.
But ekugqibeleni i-radio station ihamba ngama-ratings, so zikhona ezinye iy'nhlelo ezibalekisa abantu. Don't you think maybe le nto ofuna ufika nayo izobalekisa abalaleli?
Ayizobalekisa abalaleli because abalaleli bayabona namhlanje isimo senamhlanje siphaxa i-poverty iyasibeletha ne so kumele sithi sibalekele kwento zakudala zasembo sibuyele emva sihambe siyolima ngoba imisebenzi ayikho. So kumele sibacebise abantwana bazibethe teach practice bayamitha abantwana abancane yonke into iyenzeka ne so kufuneka sithini sizama ukufundisa abantu akwami usumithe sesesikolweni kwathini imisebenzi njalo amaphara azochaphele because umuntu babhizi.
So baningi abantu sesikhulumile laba and i-competition i-tight. Do you think unayo i-chance yokuwina la?
La dinayo ngaphakathi bonke sixelela bo ba mina sizaphumelela because xa ndibhekayo mandibhekayo apha akho nto yikayo ne ndoyika ikhatha sesakini so ngizabona ixesha ndibona ngalo ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani.
Okay, I know mfethu sikufisela konke okuhle mfethu engathi ngihamba kahle
Kuzahamba kahle
saba ukuthi sinike isikhathi sakho.
hola
Sharp.
baleka
Sekuyona uSpeaker Nawe i-content la ma-audition izama ukudilivela abantu i-content because abantu abaningi abazi bema-audition bayabuza kwenzakalani lapha phasi nawe ubhuti la sho mfethu welcome to Speaker Nawe igama ba.
Ya igama ke mkhulu wami ngukubo bonke kwaMbhothani Fani dlala lapha eMomfra Town.
So yini kubuya kuma-audition la yini ekuletha la ma-audition eradio unayo interest eradio wabe eseradweni before khona umuntu omamela eradweni yini ekuletha la?
Into enzise lapha into ba lento manje ilapha kum ngaphakathi ndiyayiva nje ngondihamba ilapha kumaphakathi lento yeradio yabo ndiyakuthela nje 1 2 nje nikhalisele ndibonise bayi
Hayi nababheka
yabo
ubenzele into zapha.
hayi ngingabacela bake phulaphula kuye ke this is your boy it's KB the killer boy the one and all umjilo nothanda nembeko phulaphula la nto izathi motivating ke pona from the first hour phulaphula ke which is ke insimbi yokuqala yotsho ke kulantsimbi yesithathu ke mphulaphula sahlena ke ndilisithi halala
Hayi ngeke ngiyakuzwa ngathi u-ready but baningi abantu bala abakuthusi.
hayi khuleka mna hayi andiboyiki bangeza ngoku.
So beside i-radio awukazi uyiconsider into yokuba u-MC ngoba ngathi umuntu ongxolayo
Kakhulu bange-MC one ngalunga
ngalunga.
into zami
I
eziya.
think kumele ufocus nalelo side because almost abantu baseredweni on the other side bawo-MC. So wena already I think ikhonto engiyibonayo bona uma ngenza ishow ngekulibala
Hayi ukhuleka entertainment ilapha ndazalwa nayo. Hayi ncancebeleni.
uhlala apha eMonfrey.
Hlala apha eChancele Road.
Wow, ufishane ne-town.
No ngifutshane ne-town.
Okay, I know all the best athi ngambahle inside.
Hayi ndiyabulela
Yakho.
noko ndizithembile nawe.
Sharp sharp.
Sha.
Yo, hayi energy. Sure guys, no baby wena ama-auditions lawo Alfred Nzo Community Radio Station bikwabhata. So nami for the first time ngize ngathola ithuba lokuza lana. I think konke kuhambe kahle. All the best to abantu ade bekhona la. So nami I think sayivala khona lapha because content I think sibe yinde kakhulu. I was looking for 15 minutes or 20 but I think sikutholete sikufuna. So see you on the other flip side. We